Arfeen Education System, excellence in learning. Welcome, Al-Haram Model High School, shining brilliance. Welcome, Arfeen Education System, inspiring young minds. Welcome, Career Girls School and College, nurturing future leaders. Welcome, Fauji Foundation Model School, commitment to success. Welcome, Foundation Model Public School, pride of the community. Welcome, Imran Public School and College, a tradition of achievement. Welcome, Grammar Public School, knowledge and discipline. Welcome, Kids School and College, joyful learning. Welcome, Grammar Boys Junior, bright young stars. Welcome, Grammar Girls Campus, shining scholars. Welcome, Grammar Cadet Campus, courage and excellence. Welcome, Leaders Grammar School, future leaders. Welcome, Lyceum International Early Years and Girls, creativity and growth. Welcome, Lyceum International Main Branch, excellence and inspiration. Welcome, Modern Public High School, knowledge and confidence. Welcome, Noble Grammar School and College, dedication and success. Welcome, Oxford Model High School, commitment to excellence. Welcome, Telecom Foundation School and Colleges System, innovation in learning. Welcome, the Global Montessori Junior Branch, bright beginnings. Welcome, the Global Montessori Main Branch, growing young minds. Welcome, the Founders School, hosts with pride and vision.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdul from the Founders School. We warmly welcome you all to the 10th annual District Oratory and Urdu Debate Championship 2026.
And Urdu Debate Championship 2026. This day celebrates confidence, skill and the joy of speaking from the heart.
We are honored to welcome our schools joining us for these wonderful gatherings.
They are usually present our school with pride, learning and young stars. Today is about learning expression and celebrating every child's voice. We appreciate every student who came today to speak the Quran and thank you.
Let us listen with respect and speak with kindness and support one another. Together we create a atmosphere of positivity, courage and inspiration. Once again, welcome to 10th Annual District and Oratory and Urdu Debate Championship 2026. Let this beautiful event begin. Thank you.
Glowing Star, a farewell of honor and gratitude. Glowing Star 10th Annual District Oratory and Urdu Debate Championship. Dera Ismail Khan, as the final words now softly rest, and voices pause at journey's crest. We stand in pride, with hearts so wide, to thank the schools who walk beside. Imran Public School and College, we applaud your way, under Muhammad Imran Khan Qasuria, guiding day by day, young Muhammad Mustafa spoke with light, a junior voice, confident and bright. To Arfeen Education System, firm and true, led by Arfeen Rehman Khan, inspiring through and through, from Umaima Noor to Muhammad Moazzam's might, Nosheen Hidayat, Haleema, your words took flight. Fauji Foundation Model School, disciplined and strong, with Shazia Hashim leading long, Muhammad Ahmed Ayan Khan stood tall and clear, a junior star we proudly cheer. Foundation Model Public School, a name of trust, under Noor As Qureshi and Sabine Naz Just, Zoya and Humora Gul spoke with grace, confidence shining on every face. To the Global Montessori and School System, junior and main, with name Tara Wasim guiding each lane, Ayan Khan, Abiha Khan, Maheen Khan II, Hania Benazir, Shanzeh Gul, Musfira Zainab, we salute you, and Muhammad Muaid, whose Urdu voice rang true. IQRA Grammar Public School, steady and wise, with Madam Rahila before our eyes, Hamna Ali and Kazina Hussain stood with pride, letting thoughtful expression be their guide. Kids School and College, disciplined and keen, led by Salim Muhammad, calm and serene, Hiba Abbas, Muhammad Rahim, Hizbullah Strong, Sawera Rahman, Aisha Rahman, where you belong. Leaders Grammar School, leadership defined, with Hassan and Muhammad Imran aligned, Shahzad, Muhammad Saad, Fawad Ali too, your speeches reflect a vision new. To Modern Public High School, Dignity Show, with Mrs. Javad Balak wisely known, Anisa Iftikhar, Manahul Fatima, Samia Zuhar Gul, your voices carried meaningful. Oxford Model High School, poised and refined, under Ziauddin's leadership kind, Manal Zia spoke with thoughtful art, leaving a mark on every heart. The Founders School, a host with care, led by Noor A.S. Qureshi and Namra Khalil Fair, Wajiha Lukman, with confidence true, represented values we all pursue. Lyceum International School, main branch, proud and bright, with Shoaib Shuja Burki guiding the light, Shah Shuja, Arfeen Khan, Insha Wahid Strong, Fahim Mullah, Adina Yunus, where excellence belongs. And Lyceum Early Years and Girls Branch, graceful and bold, under Yasmin Khan, a story told, Pairs Hey Fatima, Hania Balik, Marham Khan Clear, Sunaina Burki, Hafsa Noor, Reaching. Career Girls School and College, voices refined, with Wajia Yasmin leading the line, Afifa Wada and Maryam Amin, spoke with strength, calm, and serene. Telecom Foundation School and Colleges System, firm and wise, led by Mrs. Shella Rahmat with guiding eyes, Sana Munir and Maxum Hussain, your Urdu words will long remain. Takaiba Grammar School and College, girls, cadet, and boys, under Salah Muhammad, nurturing voices, Shazadia Nabia, Sabia Huran, Sajia Mesood Bright, Sumaya Daud, Gulalai, Shining with Light, Aksa Mesood, Rakaya, Muhammad Aban, Muhammad Hamdan too, your presence honoured all we do. And Al-Beruni Education System, rooted and strong, with Abdul Samad and Sir Haji Khan leading along, Asanullah, Muhammad Raza, Avnan Dir, your words reflected learning sincere. This goodbye is not the final page, but a pause in a powerful stage. When schools unite with purpose true, a district grows, because of you. Seedling, with deepest respect and gratitude, we say farewell, until we meet again. Organising Committee 10th Annual District Oratory and Urdu Debate Championship. Dera Ismail Khan.